Alias SKUs in Zentail are SKUs that inherit their inventory from a pre-existing reference SKU. Alias SKUs by default are merchant-fulfilled SKUs. There's a number of reasons you would want to use an alias. The first is if you're trying to list the same product to multiple ASINs on Amazon. Second, if you want to market or price a product differently on the same or separate channels. And third, if your Zentail catalog was built using Amazon assigned SKUs or any SKU values, for example, numeric with a leading 0, that you don't want to use moving forward. To create a single new alias SKU, click a SKU on the catalog screen. Next, click on the 3 vertical dot icon on the top left sidebar. Click Create Alias and enter a new SKU in the New SKU field. If you need to, you can add a different UPC or ASIN at this stage. Click the Create button. Search for the SKU, edit its attributes if necessary, and then toggle it to list to your desired channels. It's also possible to link an existing SKU to another SKU as an alias. To do this, find the SKU in your catalog that should be treated as the master SKU or the reference product. This is the SKU you want to share inventory with other SKUs. On the left sidebar for that SKU, click the 3 vertical dot icon at the top of the page, and then click Create Alias. Scroll down to the Link Existing Product section. Enter the SKU you want to turn into an alias SKU in the existing SKU field, and then click the Search button. Then you can select the appropriate SKU from the search results. There's a third option for creating aliases using the Import-Export feature. First, create a template with the attributes SKU and alias of as the first 2 columns. In the SKU column, make sure to include the SKU pertaining to the alias. This is the SKU you want to inherit its inventory from the inventory controlling SKU. In the alias of column, place the inventory controlling SKU. This is the SKU that will be pushing its inventory to the alias. Upload this CSV using the templateless data import. Note that in order to create aliases in bulk, the inventory controlling SKU must already exist in your catalog. Unlinking an alias SKU is fairly straightforward no matter which method was used to create it. To unlink a SKU, find the SKU you wish to unalias. Click the 3 vertical dot icon at the top of the product sidebar and select Unalias. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to visit Zentail.com for more info.